Good morning. It is Friday, January 15th. We do not have a Zoom today. You're doing some independent work, and it is a long weekend, so that is exciting. It's Martin Luther King Day on Monday. Here is your list for today. We have a couple small items for you to go through. The first one is there's a short Missouri Compromise Ed puzzle, assignment number 33 in Google Classroom to look for. And then we talked about the Missouri Compromise in class. And then you're going to do an Ed puzzle about Nat Turner. Nat Turner was a slave who became a preacher and really felt himself a prophet, that he was getting messages from God and tried to lead a slave revolt to get rid of slavery. He was not successful, but it was important in what happens afterwards. And we'll talk about that on Tuesday. So number 34 is another short Ed puzzle. Then you want to try to tackle 2 to 3 of the events in your Civil War packet. Number 32, we started that in class this week. It looks like this. You're finishing the tweets and then finding a picture. So if you could, some of you finished Nat Turner's Rebellion, but if you could pick a couple and do a couple, that would help you kind of stay on track for that packet. But only 2 to 3. You don't have to do a ton of that because we'll keep working on that in class. Some of you need to finish up assignment number 30, which was that geography challenge where you were looking at some of those maps in the textbook pages, and then we're filling out a 3 branches chart. Fix that grammar mistake. And then if you have some rough draft letter edits, that's assignment 29. Mr. Seeley is asking for people to add pictures to this yearbook link. You might have already heard about this, but because we're not in school, he's trying to collect some pictures. So if you have pictures that maybe would go into the yearbook, there's a link there that you can add some pictures. I've also added in your Civil War packet, I've added another document that's view only. And have started to record audio recordings of the textbook. So if you would like to listen while you read, or if you would rather listen than read, I have an audio recording of each of those sections. I've just started it, so they might not all be there, but at least the ones that you would work on today would be there. So if that's helpful, please use it. I hope you have a lovely day. I am working. I'm on my computer, so if you need anything, feel free to email. I might not be able to get back to you right away because I'm in a meeting, but I will try. Have a wonderful day and a great weekend.